protected access specifier, the protected members variables and function is somewhat similar to private, but somewhat similar, not all, somewhat similar, but it has one extra benefit, that is the protected members or the functions or protected variables or the functions can be accessed and viewed in child classes only. In child classes only. First of all, you should know what is child class and what is parent class. So for the purpose we need to know inheritance. For the purpose we need to know inheritance. I want to do one thing. I have one class. A class contains some benefits, some data members and some functions. I want to access that class functions into other class 1, class 2, a parent class and child class, parent class and child class. Parent class features I want to access into child class. So how can I access? I need to use their inheritance.